welcome to part 164 of Laravel 10 tutorial, and we will continue working on the multi-vendor e-commerce website. And in this video we are going to apply the shipping charges at the front end. Okay, so we able to add the shipping charges at the admin end, and we able to update it as well in the last video, and now we are going to apply the shipping charges at the front end. And once the user select any of the delivery address, we are going to pick the delivery country, and based on that country we are going to show the shipping charges via Ajax without refreshing the page. Okay, so let's start. And first of all we are going to let's close all the files. And now first of all I'm going to open here the products controller, okay, at the front, and checkout function as well. Okay, so here I'm going to close the post method as well. And also I'm going to so first of all I'm going to create the get shipping charges function, and that I'm going to create under the shipping charge model that we can use there. Okay, shipping charge model. Okay, see this one, this function get shipping charges function, we are going to call inside the delivery addresses. Okay, so along with the delivery addresses we are going to send the shipping charges of the particular address as well. Okay, based on the country. So that's why we are going to create the one function that we are going to use there, that we are going to call there. Okay, so let's create one function here straight away. Public static function, and the function name we are going to keep the get shipping charges. Okay, and here the country will come. Okay, we are going to send the country name and dollar shipping details or shipping charges, or we can see use the same get shipping charges here. Okay, and we can also use here the shipping details. Okay, get shipping details here as well. You can simply add shipping details. Okay, then we are going to that shipping charge model where country is dollar country first to array, and now see if we want to use only shipping charges, I think only shipping charges are required, then we will make it like shipping underscore charges. And here see, no need to convert it to array because there is no requirement. And also here also we will select only one thing here, just we are going to select the rate here. Okay, because other data is not required. So here we are going to use the get shipping charges as well. These changes I am doing because it will be good if we will only select the selected data, no other data is required. So that's why, so I'm going to return this shipping charges. Okay, or I can even just simply do it like this. Okay, nothing else required. Fine. So this get shipping charges, I'm going to add the for each loop here. Okay, like this, and this delivery address I'm going to add here, and inside this I'm going to use here the that shipping charges, dollar shipping charges. And now we are going to call that function that we have just created, shipping charge, this one, get shipping charges. Okay, and here we are having the country, that delivery country that is coming from the value. Okay, so we are going to use that dollar value country like this. Okay, so once we are going to get here the shipping charges of that particular country, then we are going to put that in the array. Here we are having the array, so here we are going to add the dollar key, and in that I'm going to create one column here, the shipping charges column, shipping underscore charges, and in this column I'm going to add the shipping charges. Okay, So we are going to check this as well, that it is working fine or not. I'm going to use here dd, and going to check here the delivery addresses, that every address is, every country is have the shipping charge. See, every address must have the that shipping charge as well. Let's see. Okay, so we need to include that shipping charge model at the top. Okay, so I'm going to use the shipping charge model here. Shipping charge, this is the model name I'm going to use here. And now I'm going to see every country must have the shipping charge. And here you can see India, this is India, delivery country is India, India is having 100 charge. This delivery country is Iceland, Iceland is having 200 charge. Again, this address is from the India, India is having the 100 charge. So we have added the shipping charges inside the array. Okay, you can see with every element we can able to add the shipping charges. Okay, here we have added, here we have added, so we have just added this one in array. Okay, so now we also require here total amount that we are going to pass to the checkout page. Okay, so once again I'm going to open the checkout function, and here uh, see we are also required here the total price. Okay, so for that we are also going to calculate the total price here, so that we can calculate here. Okay, here I'm going to make like total price. First of all, it is 0. Okay, so after that we are going to use the for each loop with get card items. Here we are having the get card items as well, so we're going to use that for each loop, and this dollar get card items, so that we can calculate the total price and send that. Okay, and here we use here dollar item. This one is not required in this case, as dollar key is not required. Okay, and here we are going to have the attribute price from product model and get discounted attribute price. Okay, so here we are going to pass here two things. First one is the product id, this thing we have done earlier as well, and dollar item, then size, to get that attribute price we want of every product, so that we can calculate the total price. Then total price is equal to the total price that is already there, plus here attribute price, attribute final price, here final price, and into whatever the quantity is, item quantity. Okay, and this one is the total price that we are going to add here. Okay, so we are going to check it once as well, that total price is coming fine or not. Echo dollar total price, so total price must be equal to the subtotal. Let's see. We need to comment this dd. Okay, this one is coming fine. Now the total price of the order is coming, that is 1200, that seems to be fine. Okay, I'm going to remove it to check here as well how much is the subtotal here, and here you can see the 1200 subtotal as well, so that is fine. Okay, so now total price also we are sending there in the blade file. Now we are going to update the checkout blade file. Okay, checkout.blade.php file, and this one we are going to update every delivery address. Okay, so here in delivery here. Okay, so now we are going to send here the shipping charges, total price, and coupon amount. Okay, after value, here is the, where is the value, where is the radio button, and here it is. Okay, so after value we are going to send here, sorry. Okay, so let's send here everything like shipping charges. We are going to send it like this: shipping charges equal to, and now we are having the shipping charges in the array itself. Okay, so we can simply add it like this: dollar address and shipping charges. Once again you can see, check this one dd to check that what is coming there. Okay, uh, so let's complete the statement first. Shipping charges, these shipping charges, and I think it will work like this. Okay, so we can check that. See, uh, shipping charges. Okay, so that is fine. And after shipping charges, now we are also passing here the total price. So total price also we want to pass. Okay, total price, all the prices we are going to pass in jQuery. Okay, so where we are going to calculate that shipping charges as well as the grand total. Okay, going to show the shipping charges straight away, but going to calculate the grand total. Okay, so here total price we are having dollar total price like this. And finally the coupon amount. Okay, coupon amount also, amount coupon amount I think we are not passing, but we are having the coupon amount in session, so we can simply get it from session. Okay, okay, so now we are having all the data. And now see, we are going to pass all three in our jQuery file, that is the custom.js at the front. Okay, we are going to add at the end. Okay, so here we are going to calculate the grand total from the shipping charges. Okay, so here also we are going to write here calculate grand total. Okay, so also we are going to pass the shipping charges. So here dollar uh, input, we are going to pick from the name as address id when there is the name equal to address id. I'm going to check that what is the name exactly here. Name is the address underscore id. Okay, name address underscore id. Okay, I'm going to use here the bind method, bind change. Okay, change function, sorry. Okay, so here uh, when we let's see that it is working when we will click any of the radio button. I'm going to refresh here, going to remove that here dd. Okay, so see, if I will click here, so it is working fine. Okay, so let's go back, remove test, and now we are going to have the values like shipping charges that we are passing from there. We are having there, we can simply pick it, dollar this attribute is shipping charges. Okay, there are many ways to get this. Okay, so we can alert once like it is coming fine or not. So we are getting in jQuery all the shipping charges here. See, 100 for India, 200 for Iceland, and 100 for India again. Okay, so it's fine. So now we are going to do two more times. Okay, and one for the total price and one for the coupon discount. Total price, okay, and one for the coupon amount. Fine. And now we can show the shipping charges. We are going to add the class that we are going to use here to display the shipping charges. Okay, that we will straight away display first of all shipping charges in dot shipping charges class that we are going to have it there, and in this class we are going to display the HTML, and in HTML we are going to display like rupees is given there, fine rupees plus shipping charges, whatever the shipping charges is we are going to display there as well. Okay, so it will come up there. Okay, so for coupon amount, see here one condition we are going to add here, like if in case coupon amount is empty, we are going to display the coupon amount as 0. Okay, coupon amount equal to 0, and now we are going to display the coupon amount here. Okay, coupon amount we are going to display. After that, grand total also we are going to calculate. Okay, so here we are going to have that, first of all, grand total variable grand total equal to we are going to use the percent. Okay, percent we are going to use percent total price. Okay, so total price plus shipping charges, we are going to use the percent for all. Okay, here also once again percent, and here we're going to use the shipping charges. We are going to add these shipping charges in total price, and we're going to reduce the coupon amount. Okay, percent once again, and the coupon amount we're going to reduce from the shipping charges. Okay, so total price plus shipping charges minus coupon amount, that will be our grand total. Okay, so uh, here we are going to alert the grand total once. Okay, we are going to check whether the grand total is coming fine or not, then we are going to display in grand total in class as well. Okay, so let's select here. If I'm going to select here India, then the grand total must be 1200 plus 100, that is must be 1300. Let's see, 1300, it's fine. Okay, so I'm going to select the Iceland. For Iceland, the grand total must be 1200 plus 200 shipping charges, 1400. Grand total must be 1400 for Iceland. Let's see, 1400, so it's fine. Okay, for India, once again, the grand total must be 1300, so it's fine. Okay, so it's working fine. So here we can also put a grand total in class like we have done earlier, and here also we are going to put it like this, grand total, grand underscore total, and this class we're going to add there to display the grand total as well as the shipping charges. Okay, so here just we need to add the classes now. Okay, for the grand total, we are going to add the class here at the end. Here we are going to add the class, and we'll add in strong. Okay, so that we can show the grand total in some bold font. Okay, grand total class we are having there, and this one here we are going to end this one. Okay, and also for coupon discount, here also we are going to add the class coupon amount span, and here this span I'm going to close after rupees, and here we're going to show the class as well. Class is the coupon amount. Okay, and here for the shipping charges as well, we're going to show the class here as well. For shipping charges, here we are going to close the class as well, and let's see here the class for the shipping charges, and this we are going to display here. Okay, so now we are going to see that it's working fine or not. And here also like we have the coupon amount, here also we are going to display the coupon amount as well. But first of all, let's check uh, here. If I'm going to select here India, see rupees 100 come up here, and grand total instantly update to 1300. Okay, if I select Iceland, then you can see the 1200 plus 200 rupees shipping charges and 1400 now. Okay, so it's working fine. And for India, once again, it's 1200 plus 100, it's 1300. Okay, so it's working very fine. Okay, so for the coupon amount as well, here coupon amount class. Okay, coupon amount. So coupon amount, like we are having from there, we are also going to display the coupon amount in the same way. Okay, we are going to display the coupon amount here as well, and here see, we're going to have the class for the coupon amount. Okay, like this class we're going to have for the coupon amount. This one is coupon amount is coming. Okay, so now it's working fine. And now if we will select cash on delivery, we click on place order, 13 amount must go, but that we need to calculate in the checkout posted method here. Okay, so here we are going to calculate after we get the delivery address. Okay, from the delivery address we are going to find the delivery country, and from that country we can able to fetch the shipping charges. Okay, so we are going to calculate the shipping charges. Okay, so here we are going to add here get shipping charges. Okay, so here once again shipping underscore charges, and here we are going to use the shipping charge model, and we have the function that get shipping charges, and here we are going to send the delivery address country. Okay, delivery address and country to get the shipping charges. Okay, so the shipping charges will come up here. So this one we are not required calculate shipping charges. See, yeah, we can see it will replace the shipping charges with this one. Okay, and this one will get added, so it will work fine. So let's see, let's click on place order and see the 1300 amount must go with 100 rupee shipping charge. Let's see if it will go fine. Okay, so it will take few seconds as it's also sending the email, and we are going to check whether it is sending. Here see 1300 amount, so it's working fine, and we are going to check in the orders as well whether it's the correct amount it has gone here, and we are going to check in orders as well. Okay, so this, not this one, we are going to see the latest order. I'm going to open, and we're going to see the shipping charges here, rupees 100. It's working fine, and the order total is now 1300 instead of 1200. 100 rupees shipping charges has been added. Okay, and that shipping charge is for the India. Okay, so it's working fine. And also the email, it must work fine. We are going to check in email as well. Okay, so here we are going to check in email, mailtrap.io, and in that if we are sending the shipping charges, then in email as well it must work fine. So let's see in email as well. We are going to check in email. See, new email has come 1 minute ago, and we're going to check this email, and here also 100 rupees shipping charges and 1300 is the grand total, so it's working fine. Order number is 34. So the shipping charge is finally working if you want to add the country wise shipping charges for your e-commerce website. So from the next video we are going to work on the advanced shipping charges, where we are going to add the shipping charges product wise. Like every product is having some weight, and according to that weight we are going to calculate the shipping charges, and that weight list our shipping partner will give us. Okay, so stay tuned for that. That's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.